In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create menus in Canva. If you're opening a new restaurant, refreshing your cafe offerings, or putting together a polished catering menu, Canva gives you a simple way to build something that looks clean, professional, and ready to print. The key is setting things up correctly from the start so your layout stays sharp, readable, and well organized. To begin, go to the Canva homepage and head to the top right corner. Click Create a Design, then type Menu into the search bar. From the results, choose the standard menu size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. This is an important starting point because using the right print dimensions helps prevent blurry text, cropped elements, or formatting problems later when you're ready to print. Once your blank menu opens, the next step is to turn on your guides and margins. At the top of the screen, click File, then Open View Settings. From there, enable Show Rulers and Guides, and also turn on Show Margins. You'll now see a dashed boundary around the page. This gives you a safe zone for your text, prices, and any logos, which is especially helpful because anything placed too close to the edge could get trimmed off during printing. Now it's time to bring in a menu design template. On the left side of Canva, click the Design or Templates panel. Use the search box to look for a style that matches your business. For example, you might search for something modern, rustic, elegant, or minimal. Once you find a template that fits your concept, click it to apply it to the page. Starting with a strong template can save time and also gives you a more balanced layout to build on. After that, focus on your text hierarchy and price layout. Click into the main section heading of the template and replace it with your own category name, such as appetizers or signature cocktails. Then use the toolbar at the top to choose a bold, readable font for the heading. Keep item names and descriptions smaller and easy to scan. For prices, align them neatly to the right so the menu feels organized and professional. Clean spacing makes a big difference, especially when customers are reading quickly. Before exporting, give the entire menu one final review. Check that your sections are balanced, your wording is accurate, and nothing crosses outside the safe margin area. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Change the file type to PDF print and make sure crop marks and bleed is checked. Then click Download to save your print-ready menu. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.